Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Y'all know, y'all see by the title, why we here? Why we here, sis? Why we here? Okay, we here for this beautiful hair unit. I told y'all this before, but I'm gonna tell y'all again just in case it's your first time watching one of my hair review videos, or you might just be a new subby of mine and I want to say hello boo, how you doing? I already told you guys this, I'm not really the hair guru type of girl, but when I can find an easy, very beautiful hair unit I can quickly put together, you need to put this one in your cart, okay? Simple as that. You need to put this hair unit inside your shopping cart, okay? Go ahead and check out. Look, go get the card. Y'all know the routine. Go get the card. Yes, this is definitely need to be inside your cart for purchase. Yes. Go ahead. I'll wait. Go ahead. But yes, this hair unit is one of my favorites. This is my second or third time repurchasing her. Yes. And she lasts for a really long time. So of course this is not the natural state of the wig. It comes in a very more thick, full blowout yaki texture, but it's too full for my face structure, so I definitely flatten it out with a flat iron to make it, you know, a little bit more silk press in a sense. But what I really love about this hair unit and why I keep repurchasing her is because she lasts for a really long time. Like, I kid you not, my first unit that I had lasted me for almost 2 years. Yes. The texture of it, like I said, is yaki, but even straightening it out, it still has that beautiful texture of yakiness, and it holds heat for a really long time. Like, I don't have to touch this up for a long time. Like, sis is good, okay? And second of all, the hairline, sis. Girl, do we need to get into the hairline? Look, I didn't even put the foundation in my parting yet because I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like, but let me quickly put that on now that I'm looking at it, because this unit is absolutely freaking beautiful. Like, I didn't tweak the part, I didn't do none of that, okay? So let me quickly add some of my foundation into my parting so I can get rid of that little blockage right there. But anywho, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing style video so I can show you guys the beginning stages of this hair unit and of course how I got this. Alright my love, so we're going to quickly do this unboxing of this hair unit, and this is Neesha Style 203. Yes, it's named after me, thank you. Yes, I collaborated, I'm just kidding. But yes, it is named after me in a sense, so I really like this wig being that it's named Neesha. But anywho, this is the texture of the hair. As you guys can see, it's pretty thick, it's yaki. You can see those like little crinkly looks that's going on in the unit. But y'all, I didn't have to do much with this wig. As you clearly can see, the part looks amazing already, and I'm just struggling myself trying to put this wig on because I already have the straps pulled on a tight, and of course it has the basic same old 3 combs in the wig, which is 2 at the top and 1 in the back. I never use them, so I never tend to mention them because I just don't use them. I just depending on the strap on the back of the wig and go from there. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks like before I start cutting the lace. Alright, so right here I forgot to show you guys the product, but I'm using my hair tint. I will have that stuff linked down at the bottom. I pretty much got everything off of Amazon, but I'm using my hair tint, so I'm just spraying the lace part so that way it looks more closer to my complexion. And I'd like to do this off first, and it takes like no time for it to dry up. So spraying the lace, and then this is what I use to lay my hair down, y'all. This is better than I got to be glue. When I tell y'all this thing is like for real, like good, it's good. I recommend you guys try that. Again, I will have that product linked down at the bottom as well because I got this off of Amazon and it came in a set of 3, so your girl good for a while. A little goes a long way. So now that I have that clearly on with the spray, I'm going to just lay it down a little bit flat, make sure that my edges parts are a little bit all the way down. And I didn't lay it all the way down towards the ear part because I knew once I got done doing this video, I was going to take this wig off. So I didn't lay it all the way down, but I wanted to show you guys the basic part.
And then right here, I just took a little bit of that spray, and I sprayed the end of my this little tool that I was using, just to make sure that the hairline part is like really laid down. Now, if you're a pro and an expert and all that, you can definitely tweak the hairline, make it look a little bit more realistic. But this is for the girls who don't know how to do that much and just want a quick, on the go type of style. And plus, I didn't plan on wearing my hair like pushed back, so I wasn't worried about that because I'm going to wear it just like this. And then I want to show you guys the difference of what it looks like when it's flattened, and then the difference from where the regular texture. So as you can see, it still has its body. It's still nice, thick, and full. I just gave it more of a silk press style.
So I do apologize that I wasn't able to actually show you guys me straightening my hair, but I'm filming in my bedroom, and where my desk and plug is at is very far from this area. I do need to eventually get me an extension cord so that way I can start filming like the heating process part when I do my hair unit. But I just took the flat iron, not the flat iron, the pressing comb, and I just flattened this part out right here. Okay, put the comb in there, boom, boom, bam, and I just took the flat iron and I took little strands at a time and section it apart like this big and just flatten it. That was it. Like, everyone knows how to flatten hair. Like, it's not that serious. And I can't even tell you the actual temperature that I use for my flat iron, because the number parts on my flat iron, it's a wear and tear. Okay, it's an old flat iron, so I don't know the number, but it was on low heat though, for sure, because we're working with a synthetic unit. But I did have a little bit more higher than usual because it's such a thick yaki texture, and I wanted to have more of that silky press. So that's the type of style that I'm getting now, because the first one was like a blowout, freshly, at the salon, blowout from a natural hair, which is beautiful. But this is more like, okay, now I got my hair silk press, flat iron, and it still gives me that natural vibes even in person because of the texture of it, but how silky and bouncy it is. Like, it looks really natural, and I can't believe it's synthetic. Like, well, where is she synthetic at? Okay. But anywho, like I said in the beginning, y'all, go ahead and cop this. She's definitely the ones to have in the books of your wig collection. So put her in your shopping cart, put her on your wish list. Whatever you gotta do, make sure you have this hair unit inside your wig collection because she's definitely needed, okay? Like, I can't stress that enough, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching this really quick unboxing style of video for this hair unit. So everything will be listed down at the bottom, so make sure you guys check out the description box to have any more details about this hair unit, where to purchase this, how much it costs, the color that I got, and blah 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 blah, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a beautiful day, stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.